Cool trail effect for the ball, as you can see. Let's see how it works. Okay, so in construct, as you can see, I have some pin objects which have physics, behavior, immovable but circle. We have these walls, bounding box, immovable. We have ball object which has physics as well but not immovable obviously. Okay, and we have this trail object which is sprite, and it has the origin point at the left side, and it has the trail renderer add-on, which is not official of Construct 3, but a cool guy named Skyman created this, as you can see, Skyman. And I will share the plugins link in the description, so you can go and download the plugin, download the examples, and see how it works. Okay, so when you download it, you go on here, install it, and then you need to restart Construct 3 to be able to use it. Okay, so let's go into codes, and as you can see, I set the ball's world gravity to 50, which makes it fall faster. I think that the default value is 10. So for the trail object, I have this action set start width to balls width, which makes this object as size as this ball, and I have this length property for the tail's length, so when you make it higher, when you change it to higher value, it goes longer. And also I set this attach trail to ball object, and it's gonna go with the ball everywhere but the ball goes, and this one goes to the bottom of the layer, invisible at first, and after half second it goes visible, and the physics going to be enabled. Okay, and that's it for this video, and you can create cool stuff with your jumping game and physics game. And thanks for watching. Have a good one.